Good morning all. My name is Samiksha Vitthal Gavande and today's my topic is muscular system. So we will discuss the muscular system, their types, disease, sign and symptom and their treatment. So the muscular system, it contribute the 50% of body weight of the muscles. There are mainly 640 to 850 muscles are present in our body. We will discuss the properties of muscle. There are mainly four properties are included, such as contractibility, excitability, extensibility and elasticity. Contractibility, it's simply said the ability of muscle to shorten to its length. Then second one is the is extensibility. Extensibility is the capacity of muscle to respond to the internal or external stimuli. Then third one is the extensibility. Extensibility is the capacity of muscle to stretching to its length. And last one is the elasticity. Elasticity is the capacity of muscle to retain its original position after the stretching. So then we will discuss the functions of muscular system. Functions of muscular system. The first important main function is mobility. Muscular system is responsible for the movement of muscles. Then second one is the stability. Muscular system, it play the important role in stability with the help of tendon stretches to its joint. Third one is posture. It play the important role in the body position, that is sitting and standing condition of our body. Then it help in the circulation. Blood vessels and artery and veins are made up of smooth muscle which play an important role in the circulation of our body. So it also maintain the blood pressure and dehydration. Then it also play the important role in organ protection, that is the muscular skeletal system which protect our internal organ. And last one is the digestion. The digestion in the smooth muscles in the GI tract which control the digestion of our body. So there are mainly six main function of the muscular system, that is mobility, stability, posture, organ protection, digestion and circulation. Then we will discuss types of muscle. There are mainly three types of muscle, that is skeletal muscle, smooth muscle and cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscle, it is also known as striated muscle because striations are present which provide the strength. It is a multinucleated tubular in shape, and it is voluntary in their function. The skeletal muscle is directly attached to the skeleton and present in our bone. Then second one is smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is voluntary in their function. It is a non-striated spindle in shape and uninucleated in nature. It is present in the internal wall of our stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, etc. Then last one is the cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is uninucleated, striated and branch in their shape. Cardiac muscles are voluntary in their function. It play the important role in the pumping of blood. It present in our heart. So the main three types of muscular muscles, that is cardiac muscle, smooth muscle and skeletal muscle. Then we will discuss then the largest muscle in our body is longest muscle in our body is gluteus maximus, and the smallest is stapedius, which are present in our ear. Then bone. The longest bone is longest bone is femur, tibia, fibula, and humerus, and the smallest bone is uh, tarsal and carpal, and the flat bone like sternum, skull, rib, etc. So the next one is the diseases of muscular system. There are several diseases of the muscular system. First one is IVDP, that is intervertebral disc posture. Then second one is ganglion, that is the inflammation of tendon in the wrist. Then osteoporosis, that is the decrease the density of our bone. Then osteomyelitis, that is the inflammation of bone marrow. Then dislocation, that is the complete displacement of our bone, and the subluxation, that is partial displacement of our bone. Sign and symptom, it include the stiffness, fatigue, weakness, numbness, etc. And the treatment of muscular system, it include the anti-inflammatory medicines, steroidal injection, calcium and vitamin D supplements. It's all about the muscular system. Thank you.